Atomy's Absolute Skincare enhances the advanced technologies found in Atomy's original Skincare 6 set and adds new technologies to make you look even younger. Let's see what's inside. Atomy's Absolute Skincare set includes toner, serum, nutrition cream, eye complex, ampule, and lotion. Before we begin using Atomy's Absolute Skincare set, first cleanse your face using Atomy's Double Cleansers from the Evening Care 4 set. You can click on the link below for a video on how to use the Evening Care 4 set. So, let's get ready to glow! Step 1. Toner. Pro tip: apply toner onto damp skin rather than dry skin for increased absorption and effectiveness. Toner can be applied on your face using a cotton pad or directly with your hands using gentle tapping motions. I generally like to use my hands so that I don't waste any product. However, if I need a more thorough cleanse, I'll use a cotton pad to wipe off any excess impurities that was missed during cleansing. Pro tip: for greater hydration, layer your toner, letting it dry in between each application. You can layer as many times as your skin needs. I might skip layering in the morning if I'm in a rush, but I like to layer 2 to 3 times at night for additional nutrition. However, if your skin is extra parched, you can layer it 5, 6, even 7 times. Atomy skincare products can be easily customized based on your skin's needs. Step 2. Ampule. Twist open the cap and pump out a sufficient amount of ampule based on your skin's needs. Apply evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Pro tip: experience the maximum benefit by using one bottle intensely for 1 month, which is the skin's natural turnover cycle. Use your palms to wrap your face for greater absorption. This ampule is infused with exclusive technology to reverse the signs of aging. Make sure you don't forget your neck, as the delicate skin there is among the top areas to show the first signs of aging. Step 3. Serum. Apply the serum evenly on your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. This concentrated serum helps to improve your skin's elasticity for visibly younger looking skin. Step 4. Lotion. Apply lotion twice a day on your face and neck for intense hydration and to enhance radiance. Moisturizer is really important for anti-aging and preventing dull-looking skin. Pro tip: when the lotion is almost soaked in, gently pat your skin to enhance absorption. Step 5. Eye complex. Apply the eye cream around your eye socket to reduce the appearance of aging and to smooth out wrinkles. Use a gentle dabbing motion as the skin around the eyes is extra delicate and thin. You can also gently massage in circles around the eye area. Do not apply it too close to your eyes or on top of your eyelids, but rather along your eye socket. Pro tip: use your ring finger to apply eye cream as it's the weakest finger. To avoid contributing to wrinkles or eye bags, never pull on the skin around your eyes, and especially not downward under the eyes. We don't want to help gravity do its job and speed up the aging process. Step 6. Nutrition cream. Apply this nutrition cream on your cheek, chin, and forehead, and gently spread outward from the center of your face. Customize the use of this highly enriched cream based on your skin type, since everyone's skin is different. For dry skin, this cream can be used both day and night for additional moisture. For oily skin, use it sparingly at night only. For combination skin, apply it on your dry zones. This final step contains a thicker formula which helps to seal and lock in all the previous layers and nutrition that we've applied so far. This upgraded set is much richer and packed full of nutrients to fight against aging. My mom uses this set and her skin has become noticeably brighter, lighter, and younger. Hopefully this video helps you to achieve younger looking skin too. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That's my Atomy life.